Kobocollect is a powerful data collector.
Yeah. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to continue from where we stopped. About Kobocollect or KoBoToolbox, how to use the tools that help to collect data from the field. Okay, so today is going to be so interesting. After collecting our data, we upload it and you see it on your map automatically without you going to Excel or spreadsheet, type the coordinate, export it or import it from there to QGIS or ArcGIS. But with this, automatically you will see it on the map. So it's so interesting. So interesting. I love this app. I love that too. So without waste of time, let's dive into the field. We are going to the field to collect the data. So let's dive in. Catch you. You go to your Play Store, you download the app. Okay? You go to your Play Store, you download the app. You type Kobo, you type Kobo Kobocollect. Okay, so I have Kobocollect app download 2024. I have that of 2025. So you can click 2025. Okay, sorry, I'm offline. So let's try again. Kobocollect, this is it. So this is the app. So all what you need to do, you click here, install. You install it. I have it already, so I don't need to install it. So you have to install it. Okay, but haven't done this, don't forget that you have to sign up. If you haven't watched the first video for Kobocollect or KoBoToolbox that I posted recently, go and watch it. How to create an account and confirm the account, and how to set your form. Okay, set your form online. Then haven't done that, you deploy it. So when you deploy it, it will be automatically on the app. So you deploy it from the server, automatically it will be on this app. So if you have not watched that video, go and watch it. Then you come and continue from this. Okay, so without waste of time, let's get to the field and continue. Okay. Okay, haven't download the app. Let me still take you through the step once more. Now, in today's video, we are going out to the field to collect the data. We are working on a street light. We want to collect the point fixture, that is the street light. So before then, you go to your browser, you type Kobo Collect or KoBoToolbox. KoBoToolbox. Okay, I have it already here. So I'm a registered user already. If you have watched the first video for this Kobocollect or KoBoToolbox, you know how to register and log in. So I'll log in with my credentials. Now, I want to create a new project. So creating a new project, I click on this here. Here, I click on that. I click on that. Then new, I click on the new. Then build from scratch, I click on that. Name of the project, street light. Location, locations, location of street light. This is a good project. For me, this is a good project because with this, if the decision makers or the policy makers stumble on this project or on this map, they'll be able to have more insight into it, know where there is need to supply the street light. Okay, so description: to to have, you can anything to have an to have an insight to have an insight analysis. Let's say just a description analysis to have the street lights are being located. Okay, so okay, all right. So sector, for the purpose of this class, I will pick educational. Okay, educational. Country, I will pick Nigeria. So Nigeria. Then create project. Okay, so location of street lights. Okay, so to create the form, to create the form, then you take it to the field to start collecting your data. You click on this plus down below, then you click on this add question to pick anyone. But before that, let's go back here. So question, location of street light. Okay, so what could that be? Location of street light. The street light is a point fixture, so point fixture for point symbol. Okay, so we pick point. With that, it will get the coordinate of each of the street light. Okay, let's just leave it here for the purpose of this class. So if you want to add more form, create more field, more form, such as maybe the number of street lights. Okay, number of street light, or the address of the street light, or the name of the street where the street light is. Okay, let's just add one again, one of it. Name of the street. Name of the street. Okay, then you click on this. Name of the street will be what? Text. So click on text. Okay, so let's just limit here for the purpose of the class. Then you click on save. So it is saved, successfully updated. Okay, so having done that, you having done that, you you have to deploy it. You have to deploy it. So having done that, you have to deploy it. Okay, to the so having done that, you have to deploy it. Okay, location of street light. You click on it. You click on it. Then you so you need to deploy it, because if you don't deploy it, it will not be on the app. This is the server, this is the website. We created the form on the website. So if you don't deploy it, it won't be on the app, because it's from the app we collect the data. Okay, so if you don't deploy, it won't be there. So you need to do what? You need to deploy it. So what do? You click on this here, click there, not the blue. You click there, you see draft. You click on the draft, you see location of street light. That is the title of the project. Title of the project. Then you see deploy. You click on the deploy. See deployed form. So the form is being deployed. Okay, so the form is being deployed, meaning it is on the app. So now go to the app, use it to collect the data. Okay, so now this is the app. This is the app. We are no more in the server. This is the app. So you click on the app. We are now on the app. Okay, so you scroll down. You see collect data. Then you swap to the left, you see open. When you are filling the form, or when you are preparing the form, you'll be online in the server on the website. Okay, developing that form or preparing the form to go and collect data from the field. But when you are collecting the data, you could do that offline. You could do that offline if you wish. So you could do that offline. So this is the form: location of street light, okay, and the name of the street. So let's go right away into the field and collect our data. On the field now, we are on the field now. So we want to collect the location where I'm standing. I am standing right close to the street light, one of the poles of the street light. So I click on this and wait for the coordinate. Right now I'm offline. I'm collecting this data offline. Okay, I'm collecting it offline. So this is the coordinate of this street light. This is the coordinate. This is the location of this street light. Okay, this is the location. So I haven't collected the data. You wait for the coordinate. I haven't done that. You click on, you scroll down, you see this submit. You submit it. Okay, you say okay. All right, let's wait. It's ticking to 3, 2, 1. Okay, so it has been submitted, right? So it has been submitted. Let's move to another um, location of a street light. I'm walking down to another location of the street light. I'm walking down to another location of the street light. So walking down to another location of the street light. So doing this, we collect the data offline. Okay, we'll be offline to collect the data, not necessarily be online. Be offline to collect the data. So I'm walking down to the next location of the street light to get the coordinate of the street. Okay, so that is how to use Kobocollect to collect data from the field. It's a form. The form serves as a questionnaire. You use it to collect the attribute, questionnaire, and location. So I'm walking down to another location of the street light, and here am I, another location of the street light. So I stand, then I click on this up here. Yeah, I click there to wait for the coordinates. Okay, so this is the coordinates of another location of the street light. So I haven't done that. If you're okay with the accuracy, if you're okay, you wait. If you're okay with the accuracy for the purpose of this class, just to illustrate as a tutorial, then you scroll down, you say submit, click on submit again. You wait. It's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. So that has been submitted. So we'll move to another location of the street light. Move to another location of the street light. So I'm on the field collecting the data for the street, for the picture. It could be anything, anything mappable. So we use this form to map it. Okay, and you see your data automatically on the map, without disturbing yourself, going to Excel or spreadsheet to type the coordinate and send it to ArcGIS or QGIS. Automatically you see. So I'm in another location of the street light. I'm on another location of a street light. So I click on this point there, waited. So This is the another location, the coordinate of this street light. If you're okay with it, you submit. So scroll down, I submit. Okay, I submit. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. So another location, of the street light. We are moving to another location of the street light to collect the data. Okay, so I'm in another location of the street light. Then I click on it. Okay, and I'm in another location. So if you're okay with the accuracy, you scroll down. Okay, you scroll down. You notice that I didn't fill the name of the street because virtually the street lights are virtually on almost on the same street, except this where I am standing now. So I just give it, let's say, okay, all right. So that is the name of the street. So we are done. Don't forget, this is the attribute. Okay, this is the attribute. Are you getting me? So that's why I didn't bother, because they are almost on the same street. So I submit. So we wait for it. This 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so we are done with it. We are done. Haven't done that. We have collected the few location of the street light where they are located. So it says submit, and we are done submitting everything. Okay, we are done submitting everything now. So we'll go to our map. Okay, we'll go. So I haven't submitted it. Then you come, as in, you press forward again. On it you will see summary, form, data, and settings. On it is on top, like the menu. Summary, form, on top it, summary, form, data, and settings. Okay, so you just to view your, they click on the data. Are we here? Good. So at this point now, if you want to see it automatically on the map, okay, want to see it automatically on the map, you have to be online. You have to be online. I am online now. Okay, so you have to be online. So I am online now. I click, before I arrive here, I click on the data. You know, we have summary, we have the form, we have the data, and we have the settings. So I click on the data. Then it took me to this page where I am now. I click on the map. Then by your left hand side of the app, you will see table, report, gallery, download, and map. So I click on map. So the network is poor, so just be patient. The network is poor, just be patient. So the network is back. Good. So this is the street light. So these are the street lights. Okay, so these are the location of the street light. Did you see? So interesting, so interesting. I love this app. So interesting. These are the street lights and its location. These are the street lights and its location. So with this, you are good to go. Okay, you don't need to start typing it in Excel or spreadsheet and send it to ArcGIS or QGIS or any other GIS software. With this, automatically you do it. Like what you see here on we see on this on top, like settings, and this you can hear, this is OpenStreetMap. This is the world topographical map. OpenStreetMap is a world-based map. It's a base map. OpenStreetMap is a base map, world-based map. Okay, so look at it. OpenStreetMap. Click on that layers. Have OpenStreetMap. Have Open Topo Map. Let's see what we have in Open Topo Map. The network. Okay, the network is poor. The network is poor. So let's see. The network is poor. Okay, look at it now. Look at Esri word imagery. So look at it. Okay, please like and subscribe if you find this video so interesting. If you find this content so interesting, please like, subscribe, and drop your comment. Please share with others so that they will learn. You don't need to bother yourself. Okay, you don't need to bother yourself. So with this, you go on with your analysis. So in the next video, I will demonstrate how you can analyze, create a table with your data collected. Okay, you see it, so interesting. Please give me a thumb up, give me a thumb up, like, subscribe, please help, so that when you like, subscribe, you share it, it will tell YouTube that this video is good, and YouTube will recommend it for others. Please, thank you. Yeah, so that is how to collect the data using Kobocollect to collect the data from the field. So please give us a thumb up. Okay, yeah, that is how to collect using Kobocollect to collect data from the field. So that is how to collect data from the field. Filling the form via the server or the website. You deploy the form to the app, then you go into the field and collect the data. Okay, both the attribute and locational data, even as questionnaire. The form also serve as that. So you don't need to disturb yourself. It's a very easy and nice app or tools used in collecting data from the field. So please, if you find this video useful, give us a thumb up, subscribe. For those of you that haven't subscribed, please don't just pass by, subscribe, give us a thumb up, and any comment, drop it at the comment section. I will answer it. I will be glad to answer. So see you. Ciao, ciao.